In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the header text in your Shopify store. Now, whether you're rebranding, just making a few tweaks, or wanting to add some fresh text to your online store, this guide will walk you through the process quickly and efficiently. So, let's dive right in. First, to begin, you need to navigate to your online store theme within the Shopify admin. This is where all the visual magic happens. Once you're here, you're going to browse over to the theme settings. Think of this area kind of like the control center for your store's design. It holds all the keys to your customization options. It might feel a bit overwhelming at first with so many options, but don't worry, we're focusing on just one part today. Now, in the theme settings, what you're going to do next is locate the specific area for the header. Generally, the header section will be one of the first things shoppers notice when they land on your page. It's crucial for establishing your brand and making that strong first impression. In the header section, you'll often find options to adjust various settings like colors and layout, but our focus today is on the text. Next, look for the section that allows you to input or change the text. Typically, there's a clear option marked for this purpose, sometimes simply labeled as text or header text. Once you click on this, you'll be allowed to start typing your new text directly into the provided box. This is where you can be creative and align your messaging with your latest campaign or brand direction. A quick note here, as you type in your new header text, make sure to keep it clear and concise. You want it to be informative but not overwhelming. Remember, the goal is to catch the visitor's attention and perhaps convey your store's key message or current promotion. Once you're satisfied with your new header text, take a moment to preview these changes by using the preview tool. It's always a good idea to double-check how everything looks, ensuring all texts look great on different devices, especially given how many users browse store sites on their phones these days. If everything looks good, don't forget to save your changes. This is an essential step to ensure your new header text goes live for all your visitors to see. It would be a shame to do all this work and not save your progress. And just like that, you've changed the header text on your Shopify store. It's a small tweak that can make a big difference, helping you keep your branding sharp and your messaging up to date. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy Shopify tips. See you next time.